My dear younger generation, friends, good morning. We are talking on personality. We are talking on self-assessment process normally done by Human Resources Department. We call it a HRD in commercial organizations. You should know that while you are entering or seeking an opportunity employment inside an organization, the things what you have is ability, you have alertness, you have some energy, enough energy, you have an initiative mind, you have intelligence, you have self confidence, your sociability, that is, the way you are talking in socially is good, you have a tact of doing things, and all these things gradually is considered to be your personality. Okay. You are working, you are putting your best possible, you are not doing any dishonest things, then gradually you are growing. But to become a senior, while you are becoming a senior manager or some other executive, you will have to add certain other qualities that are being expected by the management from you. First of all, you should be in a position, you should be capable of training people below you, around you, your juniors, some people. For that reason, your communication has to be very polite, effective, and need not be more complicated or anything. Very polite, simple, at the same time, people below you are in a position to get influence because of your communication. Okay? That means you are in a position to mold the people towards the goal of the organization. Okay? When you are molding the people, they get motivated, they go do good things, you become a good manager. Ultimately, an organization through you means through managers, would be trying to achieve customer satisfaction. For that reason, a manager, a executive is going to be the real hero gradually becoming. So, yesterday I told you as regarding this, as regards to our junior staff, workers, or anything, these people should have certain qualities, they should concentrate, then gradually they become seniors. Well, they become seniors, they are in a position to mobilize the people, talk to the people, motivate the people, train the people, communicate with the people, help the people, make a team, becoming a team leader, and to achieve the goal of the organization. The goal is with comes from the customers. Fine. So you are going to be the managers, executives, senior engineers, vice presidents, general manager works, presidents, directors of the company in future. It will happen. Definitely it's going to happen. For that reason, you have to mold yourself, train yourself, learn yourself gradually. by seeing the people, by people around you, seeing your seniors, then you are in a position to present yourself to be a manager in coming days. Fine? We will again talk one more point tomorrow. One by one, we will talk. We will talk on communication in a day or two. Before that, have a good day, have a good career, be at home for the time being. We are in May 2020. For another 10 days, 15 days, we may be at home. Fine. Take care.